Today we are going to talk about massive and complex data centers. How safe is Google's data center? Watch the video to the end to find out the answers to your questions. Day by day, companies like Google are progressing. Just think, in one day people search for 5.6 billion queries. Accordingly, a lack of fast and reliable access to data can mean an inability to provide vital services or a loss of customer satisfaction and revenue. Most cloud companies are very guarded about cloud-based data centers, believing that the less information you share, the harder it is for hackers to hit you. But Google just violated tradition by making itself its own data center. However, there are 6 levels of physical security designed to prevent unauthorized access. Google has 8 data center locations in the United States, 1 in South America, 4 in Europe, and 2 in Asia. That's about 16 centers worldwide. An interesting fact, the company uses about 260 million watts of electricity, which is 0.01% of the world's energy. This is enough power to permanently power 200,000 houses. A large supply of water is needed to support the cooling units and water towers used for cooling, so many of Google's recent data centers have been near rivers or lakes. Therein lies the major environmental problem. They use billions of gallons of water, sometimes in dry areas, that are trying to conserve this limited public resource. Each day, the demand for computing machines continues to grow, and each month there are millions more people surfing the internet. And as we know, Google is also many other programs such as YouTube or Android. Of course, they make money on it, but it helps to have more data, which helps to know the user better. This all requires centers on which the data will be stored. Google CEO Sundar Pichai said the company is investing $13+ billion in new campuses and offices. In doing so, they will create 10,000 new jobs in construction. To maintain optimal performance of the computing infrastructure, the data center must maintain optimal room and server hardware temperature. Water passes through miles of pipes, absorbs the heat created by the servers in operation, and then dissipates some of the heat into the atmosphere in the form of steam, i.e. a cloud. However, moving to cold locations may not be strictly necessary. With real-world studies of data centers, it has been proven that it is not always a requirement to maintain a cold aisle at a cool temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. We are excited that technology is progressing. If you want to learn new things about it, then subscribe to our channel and improve yourself along with us. Have you enjoyed the video?